How to turn on or turn off tracking autofocus on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Camera app. After click on Camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on Settings icon. Now in Camera settings, scroll down and you will see tracking autofocus is here. If you want to turn on tracking autofocus, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see tracking autofocus is turned on. If you want to turn off tracking autofocus, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see tracking autofocus is turned off. You will turn on or turn off tracking autofocus from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off tracking autofocus on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.